Dear viewers, you might remember a recent viral ad that turned into a meme. Modi ji ne war rukwa di papa. Modi ji stopped the war, papa. Russia and Ukraine's war. Now, in a similar twist, US President Donald Trump has claimed he stopped the war between India and Pakistan. Just as netizens, including many Indians, mocked the ad, Prime Minister Narendra Modi too has dismissed Trump's claim outright, stating clearly that the ceasefire was the result of direct communication between Indian and Pakistani military officials with no role played by the United States. In a 35-minute phone call with Trump, Modi explained that the talks were initiated by Pakistan and held through existing military channels. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri confirmed this and reiterated that India does not and will never accept foreign mediation. Despite this clarification, Trump continued to assert that his threat to suspend trade with both nations had ended the hostilities. Modi rejected this, emphasizing that Operation Sindoor, launched in response to the Pahalgam terror attack, remains underway, targeting terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and POK with precision and restraint. Modi also turned down Trump's request for a stopover in the US during his return from Canada, citing prior commitments, but extended an invitation for the next Quad summit in India, which Trump accepted. The two leaders also discussed global issues, including the Israel-Iran conflict, the Russia-Ukraine war, and reaffirmed the Quad's importance in maintaining Indo-Pacific stability. Modi firmly reiterated that terrorism is no longer seen as a proxy war but a direct war, and India would respond more forcefully to any future aggression from Pakistan. Meanwhile, on a more diplomatic front, the G7 summit brought a thaw in India-Canada relations. Modi and Canadian PM Modi-Carney met in Kananaskis and agreed to restore high commissioners. Both nations will restart high-level talks on trade, digital cooperation, and people-to-people ties. Modi stressed the importance of shared democratic values while again urging Canada to curb anti-India activities by Khalistani groups on its soil.